Labour Party is set for the 2023 campaign as it released its campaign team. Hey guys, this is still DGMTV Daily News Updates. The Labour Party, ahead of the 2023 general election, has released an updated list of 1,453 members as its final Presidential Campaign Council (PCC) list for the 2023 general election. Recall that DGMTV has earlier reported that the Labour Party released a 1,234-member campaign council list, which was later retracted to accommodate more people and to also withdraw some persons out of the list who the Obedient Movement supporters felt was an instrument of change of the APC. Mr. Julius Abure, the national chairman of the Labour Party, at a news conference in the video we're about to watch, said that the first list was retracted in order to capture all interest which has been covered in the new list. Julius Abure said that the Director General of the Presidential Campaign Council still remains Dr. Doyin Okukpe, while retired Assistant Inspector General of Police Mr. Mohammed Zaroua will serve as the chairman. Some of the members include Mr. Oseloka Obaze, who will serve as Deputy Director General, the DG, and also the campaign manager, and Alhaji Yusuf Matima, the Deputy Director General, North. According to the chairman of the party, Julius Abure, the list will be placed on the campaign website where people can access it. He also said the campaign season for the Labour Party will be flagged off officially in Nasarawa State on Saturday, the 29th day of October 2022. Let's watch the video. We'll be right back.
Gentlemen of the press, I have the honor and privilege this evening to present the list of our campaign council and the committees. You recall that on the 12th of October this year, we presented the campaign council list. Obviously, there were some errors, there were some misplacements, and then we had general complaints about the list. As a party that is democratic, that is a listening party, we decided to take all these grievances into account. And we then promised that we're going to review the list, we're going to update it to accommodate other interests. We have been working on the list, and I am highly elated today to announce to you that we have reviewed the list, and that is the list we are presenting today. We are presenting the Presidential Council list as well as the committees. The committees ahead of those committees. It is also pertinent to put on record that it is not possible to accommodate every interest. But I want to appeal to all our supporters. I want to appeal to all those who have been working for us, whom we are unable to accommodate on this list, that they should continue to do their work. They should continue to support the party. What is most important is for us to focus on our election and be able to deliver all candidates of the party, including the presidential candidates. We want to appreciate all our supporters who have worked tirelessly to continue to support us. It's also pertinent to announce here that the campaign council and the committees will be inaugurated on Friday, and then our campaigns will kick off in Lafia, Nasarawa State, on Saturday. So the list is ready. I have the honor and privilege to present it to the press. The list of the committees are also available. They are available at our website, both the party's website and the campaign website. So members are free to look at this list and then those who can be in the inauguration of Friday can do so, and we'll share the link later of those who may not be able to attend. I want to thank Nigerians for their support, for the overwhelming support they have been giving to the country. I want to appreciate all our candidates who have been working tirelessly to establish the party and work hard to win their elections. This call, like we've always maintained, is a patriotic duty that history has entrusted on us at this time. We all have acknowledged that the numerous challenges that we have in the country is as a result of successive failed leadership over the years. And we believe that if we're able to get to solve the leadership problem in the country, then of course every other thing will follow. And this is what has informed our struggle in Labour Party to ensure that we're able to enthrone a patriotic leadership, a visionary leadership, a leadership that will be proactive, a leadership that will have the people at heart, a leadership that will reposition the country for greatness and be able to harness all our human and natural resources and reposition the country for greatness. And this is what we are determined to do. And this campaign council, no doubt, will be leading the presidential campaigns. And we are very confident that Nigerians will support us because we have the best of programs. We parade men of integrity, we parade men of dignity, and we believe that we have what it takes to be able to win the election and then provide a leadership for the country that will be able to change the narratives of the country. Thank you so much, and God bless you. There are 53 names on that list.
1,453.
Yes, 1,453.
1,453.
Yes. The chairman of the campaign council is AIG Mohammed Zarewa. Julius Saburi is heading the. I'm the party chairman, of course. Peter Obi is the governor, is the presidential candidate. Vice presidential candidate is there. And then we have Comrade Clement Ojukwu as the secretary of the campaign council. And all others are members. The DG Doyin Okunpe, and then we equally have other management with the Deputy Director General of the campaign. Is Mr. Oseluka Obaze, Deputy Director General North Alhaji Yusuf Bello Maitama, Deputy Director General South Mr. Danzel Kentebe, Deputy Campaign Manager 1 Mr. Isaac Balami, Deputy Campaign Manager 2 Mrs. Eyitemi Tere.
Welcome back, guys. This is still DGMTV Daily News Update. Here we have it. We've heard from the chairman of the Labour Party, talking about Julius Abure, who has explained how the first presidential campaign list was retracted because of the complaints of some important Nigeria, and he said that was done because the party is a people-based party, not just about the presidential candidate or the candidates alone, but because people's opinion matters in the party. And a new campaign list has officially been released, and according to him, the campaign will kickstart on Saturday, 29th day of October 2022. Now the question is, would the people who came out for the rally for the obedient movement be at Nasarawa State to flag off the Labour Party campaign for the season? A lot of Nigerians have said that the Labour Party is just the party that came out to have fun, while some Nigerians have believed that Peter Obi is the next president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So guys, what are your thoughts and comment? Do you also agree with the school of thought that says Peter Obi is the next president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, or do you think otherwise? Share your thoughts and comment with us in the comment section below.